What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to drink hot coffee. And if you ever notice that I am speaking English, yeah, today I will speak English. The reason why I want to speak English is to improve and develop my English skills. Okay, let's begin. The first thing we do is we get the coffee powder, a cup, and a teaspoon. The next part, we will be making the water hot. Okay. In this part, the very important is we will use our patience. Okay. I think it would take 5 minutes. We will use our patience. While waiting for the hot water, guys, I prefer for a very strong coffee. I choose strong coffee because I have a weak heart, because she already left me. Okay, it's already hot now. So let's put the hot water into the cup. Slowly. Next is the coffee powder. Stir it well until it will blend smoothly with the water. I mean the hot water, I'm sorry. We will just taste first the coffee. It's very hot. I need to put some ice. Okay, now you put the ice to your coffee. Okay. I think this is good now. So the next thing we do is we need a perfect place to drink this coffee. Okay. Okay, guys. I think this is the perfect place to drink a hot coffee. The environment is hot, the coffee is hot. It's a perfect combination. Let's drink. Cheers. Whew. If you ever notice, I didn't put some sugar. You know, I'm allergic to sweets, especially sweet people. Cheers again. Whew. It's getting hot. Whew. Okay guys, I'm done with my hot coffee. The last part is to sleep.